A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this property. Let's talk about the amenities of this property. So you can see on the screen, how it is by scheduled photo ID and check-in. The property accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival.